Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Feta is to Greek, provolone is to blank. A. Salad. B. Swiss. C. Blue. D. Italian. The correct answer is letter D. Feta is a Greek cheese and provolone is an Italian cheese. Obscene is to coarse. Obtuse is to blank. A. Subject. B. Obstinate. C. Obscure. D. Stupid. The correct answer is letter D. Obscene is a synonym for coarse and obtuse is a synonym for stupid. Poetry is to rhyme. Philosophy is to blank. A. Imagery. B. Music. C. Bylaw. D. Theory. The correct answer is letter D. Poetry is often comprised of rhyme. Philosophy is often built on theory. Segregate is to unify. Repair is to blank. A. Approach. B. Push. C. Damage. D. Outwit. The correct answer is letter C. To segregate is an antonym of to unify, and to repair is an antonym of to damage. Conjugate is to pair. Partition is to blank. A. Divide. B. Consecrate. C. Parade. D. Squelch. The correct answer is letter A. To conjugate means to pair, and to partition means to divide. Alphabetical is to blank. Sequential is to files. A. Sort. B. Part. C. List. D. Order. The correct answer is letter C. Alphabetical describes the ordering of a list, and sequential describes the ordering of files. Shallot is to blank. Scallop is to mollusk. A. Shark. B. Mussel. C. Dessert. D. Onion. The correct answer is letter D. A shallot is a type of onion, and a scallop is a type of mollusk. Rotation is to earth. Blank is to top. A. Planet. B. Spinning. C. Sun. D. Expanding. The correct answer is letter B. Rotation is the movement of the earth, and spinning is the movement of a top. Scrub is to wash. Sob is to blank. A. Cry. B. Water. C. Sad. D. Tease. The correct answer is letter B. To moisten is to wet less intensely than to soak, and to cool is to reduce the temperature less intensely than to freeze. Volume is to blank. Stanza is to poem. A. Measure. B. Pint. C. Encyclopedia. D. Kitchen. The correct answer is letter C. A volume is part of an encyclopedia, and a stanza is part of a poem. Did you get perfect?